Empowering the next generation of AI specialists and innovators, InternGuru envisions a world where education not only helps you understand technology, but also equips you with the skills to shape it. With prompt engineering, you'll unlock the power of AI and create impactful solutions in today's fast-paced digital world. Welcome to InternGuru Institution. Join our exciting 8-week prompt engineering course, designed to give you the essential skills to work with cutting-edge AI models. Let's explore what you'll learn on this transformative journey. In week 1, we begin with the basics, an introduction to prompt engineering. You'll learn what prompts are, how they work, and how to set up your own environment to start crafting effective prompts for AI models. Week 2 dives deep into understanding various AI models, their capabilities and limitations. You'll explore how to tailor prompts to get the best results from models like GPT, BERT, and others, setting the foundation for creating powerful prompts. In week 3, we focus on crafting effective prompts. You'll learn the art of prompt writing, how to make your instructions clear, concise, and designed to get the most relevant results from AI. In week 4, we go further into advanced prompt engineering techniques. You'll learn to use specific formats, multi-step instructions, and how to refine your prompts to improve AI's understanding and accuracy. Week 5 explores how to apply prompt engineering across different fields. You'll experiment with creating prompts for content generation, data analysis, language translation, and more, expanding your skill set for real-world applications. In week 6, we learn how to evaluate AI responses and refine your prompts based on feedback. You'll learn to fine-tune your prompts for better, more precise outputs, just like an AI expert. Week 7 brings it all together with real-world use cases. You'll work in teams to solve challenges using AI prompts for business, creative projects, customer service, and more, preparing you for the demands of the industry. In week 8, it's time for your capstone project. You'll apply everything you've learned to create your own AI solution, crafting prompts for a real-world problem and presenting your work like a true prompt engineer. Join InternGuru Institution today and unlock your potential in prompt engineering. Dive into the world of AI, learn the techniques that power the next generation of technology, and start shaping the future. Visit our website, https://www.intern-guru.